We're going to create a very short and brief video of the website, and we'll have several of them dealing basically with each grade level. This one was going to show you some of the basic concepts dealing with the web page. Now, we update this web page often, and if you click on this icon right here, I won't do it, but if you do that, it has a bunch of tools for you, and it will allow you to manipulate PDF files. Now, if you look carefully over here on the left, we always place new lessons listed by date. Let me click on that one very quickly, and you'll notice we have the date. This will take you directly to the lesson. This one is dealing with multiplication. Okay, and you can see third grade multiplication. We created some fun ones, so we'll be creating some more. And if you scroll down, you see a whole bunch of them, and it's broken down by fractions and grade levels, so forth and so on. Also, if you go a little bit further down, you'll notice we have language arts, and we provided for you some lessons that you can click on for language arts. And same thing deals with social studies and science. And math, picture, logic, puzzles, which has become very, very popular with the students, and they're fun to do. And we've also provided for you the grade level, allowing you to decide or differentiate which one you're looking for. Let's go back to the main page. Back at the main page, you'll notice we have a button here for Lessons of Innovation. If you decide to click on this, we provided for you some lessons and how you may change them so it's interactive with the kids. And we provided for you quite a few of them. And of course, we update things as they go on. Lessons for Google. Now, a lot of you are using Google, and we provided for you a lot of different things dealing with Google. For example, Google Earth. Click on there. We have a bunch of lessons and videos allowing you to use Google Earth and maps and slides and what have you. Also, lessons for Microsoft. If you click on here, we have a bunch of lessons dealing with Microsoft, word processing, so forth and so on. But I think what's interesting here is Excel. And the reason I say that is because these lessons will provide for you a lot of opportunity to do many, many different things. Okay, let's go back. And Microsoft Publisher Animation, PowerPoint. This is interesting. This is important for students, Excel. What we've done here, we provided for students lessons showing them why they need to get an education after high school. Doesn't have to be a four-year college. Also, we provided how to find a home and find out if it's affordable and a mortgage calculator. So we try to prove and make things easy for everybody. Now, elementary, state standards for both elementary, middle, and high school, those fluctuate, those change. Those websites go down and up, down and up. Let's look at this one, All Grades Blending Lessons with Technology. Click on that, and when you do, you're going to come to a website that's going to pertain to a lot of different things. Now, this is imperative that you know this one. Flash is no longer operational, so what we've done is we provided a Flash simulation, which will allow you to do a lot of different simulations, which is really, really good for the kids. Same thing with physics, chemistry, so forth and so on. If you click here, we have a bunch of lessons for language arts, social studies, science, and other math. Now, you'll notice if you scroll down a little bit here, you can click on any one of these grades and come up with a lesson. Just for the heck of it, let's look at fourth grade. If you look at fourth grade, this is a lot of good. This is good. This is the new concept, deck toys. I discovered this back in the summer, and I've been placing a lot of lessons up there. Math, picture, puzzles. Oh, this is fantastic. And also math dealing with, it's not this one. It's a lot of fun for the kids. Now, these things we'll go over in detail when we do the fourth grade. If you look carefully, you'll notice we have lessons for division and lessons for fractions and cross number puzzles. Again, a lot of these things here we will go over for you when we go to when you click on the video for 4th grade. Let's go back. Toddler preschool, if you click on this, you have a bunch of lessons for toddler preschool, kindergarten, and 1st grade. And here we have fun lessons. If you decide to click on this, fun lessons for the kids. Okay, try to make it fun. We have Sudoku, we've got a lot of things, checkers and chess, a lot of things recorded here. This is interesting too, finding which is different between the 8 spacemen. It keeps kids going. Hidden pictures. So there's a lot here for you to look at. That's under fun lessons. Deck toys. If you click on this one, you'll go directly to deck toys, and you decide what grade you're working on. Here's math picture puzzles, high school math, language arts, social studies, and of course science. Let me go back. Red Cross, we put that up there if you decide to donate. Why we have this website? Inference. Oh, this is very good. Inference lessons. We cover all the grades. And what's nice about this is it allows the kids, give them a more in-depth understanding of what they see. Lifted is a video, and we provide for you lessons dealing with it. Okay. Now for middle and high school, we have other lessons. We have other video and lessons for you. Strongly recommend that you look at these, and you'll find out that they're not only fun, but they're very educational. Okay, so we have a lot of things here for you, worksheets and more. Oh, this is great. This provides for you a ton of worksheets to enable you to do a lot more things. Stories, if you click on here, we provided for you story time. And under story time, you simply click on any one of these, and you'll have a whole bunch of stories for your kids, right? Interactive stories, lessons for people. We had lessons for Willy Wonka, and so forth and so on. Just one of those things you need to look at. I don't want to take too long. This is a link that you can download for free, a substitution for Microsoft Office. This is a consignment shop that's very good, located in Wycliffe. We provided for you the phone number so you can buy things inexpensively. If you need graduate courses, click on this one. We provide a bunch of, I'll click on it. We buy 22 graduate courses, and the cost is, I don't charge for it, but Ashland does. So you have to pay Ashland. Okay? So you can see there's quite a few things on here if you're interested. So briefly, that is an introduction for this website. And thank you for watching.